Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're on a journey to create a space that sparks joy not only for us but also for our planet. We'll be exploring simple and budget-friendly ways to save energy right here in your apartment. Let's dive into some budget-friendly ways to save energy in your apartment. Our first tip is all about maximizing the most beautiful natural energy source we have: sunlight. Open those curtains wide and let the sunshine stream into your living spaces. Not only will this brighten your day and uplift your mood, but it will also significantly reduce your reliance on artificial lighting, saving you money on your electricity bill. It's a simple change that makes a world of difference. Notice how the sunlight dances across your furniture and fills your home with a sense of peace and vitality. Next, let's talk about light bulbs. Did you know those traditional incandescent bulbs are energy guzzlers? It's time to bid them farewell and welcome a more efficient friend: the LED bulb. They use up to 75% less energy than their traditional counterparts and last much longer. When choosing LED bulbs, pay attention to the color temperature. Warm white creates a cozy ambiance, while cool white is ideal for task lighting in kitchens or bathrooms. Let's talk about those sneaky energy vampires lurking in your home: phantom energy. These are devices that continue to draw power even when turned off. But fear not, for we have a secret weapon: smart power strips. These clever devices allow you to easily turn off multiple devices with the flick of a switch, ensuring that no energy is wasted. Place smart power strips in areas where you have multiple electronics, such as your entertainment center or home office. Our fourth tip takes us to the heart of your home's temperature control: the thermostat. During the colder months, try lowering your thermostat by a few degrees. Put on a cozy sweater or snuggle up under a warm blanket. In the warmer months, raise the thermostat a few degrees and embrace lighter clothing and breathable fabrics. Even a small adjustment can make a significant difference in your energy consumption. Let's move on to the laundry room, where we can make eco-friendly choices without compromising on cleanliness. Modern detergents are formulated to work effectively in cold water, so you can say goodbye to hot water washes and hello to energy savings. Now let's step into the heart of your kitchen: the refrigerator. An organized fridge not only makes it easier to find what you need, but it also helps your refrigerator run more efficiently. Take some time to declutter your fridge, discard expired items, and arrange your food in a way that allows for proper air circulation. Our seventh tip is all about those sneaky drafts that can creep in under doors and windows, making your home feel chilly and increasing your energy bills. But fear not, for we have a simple and charming solution: draft stoppers. These cozy and practical additions act as barriers, preventing cold air from sneaking in and warm air from escaping. Consider it a fun and functional way to add a touch of personality to your space while saving energy. Let's talk about windows, those portals to the outside world. While they bring in natural light and fresh air, they can also be sources of energy loss if not properly sealed. That's where weather stripping comes in. Weather stripping is like a protective seal around your windows, preventing drafts and air leaks. It's a simple and affordable way to improve your home's insulation and reduce your energy consumption. Our final tip brings us back to the power of curtains. During the winter months, thick curtains or blackout shades can help prevent heat loss by creating a barrier between your windows and the cold outside air. In the summer, close your curtains or blinds during the hottest part of the day to block out the sun's rays and keep your home cool. As you can see, creating an energy-efficient and eco-friendly apartment doesn't require drastic measures. It's about making mindful choices and embracing simple swaps that align with a more sustainable lifestyle. By implementing these budget-friendly tips, you'll not only reduce your environmental impact, but also enjoy the satisfaction of saving money on your utility bills. Start implementing these tips today and experience the joy of living in a home that is both kind to the planet and your wallet. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.